Good morning, I'm Fazla Aziz from FRC TV Business Unit. Today I am happy to interview Mr. Fazli Rumi, who is a migration agent for 30 years. He is a well-recognized offshore migration agent for Australia with specific identification number. Mr. Fazli Rumi is also experienced immigration consultant for Canada. He is a registered manpower agent with the Bureau of Foreign Employment. He is an educationist and businessman since 1987. He holds the qualification of International Migration Law. He also holds the honorary doctorate from Global Peace University and University of Kanpur. He holds several membership in well-recognized bodies. He is a member in Toastmasters Club and Business Network International. Also, he is a member of Wagwam Poet Club. In our last video with Dr. Lakmali, we had a conversation about Express Entry System and how it works. Today, among three categories, we are going to have some questions and discussion about Federal Skilled Worker Program. Also, in our next video, we hope to provide you information more about Technical Skilled Worker Program and Canadian Experience class. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Fazla. Good morning, viewers.
How to become a Federal Skilled Worker in Canada?
Okay, in my last video, I explained to you what is Federal Express Entry Pro system. And to recap that, there are three categories of visas under the Express Entry system. The first one is the Federal Skill Visa Program, the the Technical Skill Visa Program, and Canadian Experience class. Today we will see in detail what is the Federal Skilled Worker Program. To answer your question, how to become a Federal Skilled Worker. To become a Federal Skilled Worker, you have to put your expression of interest into the expression of interest profile in the expression of interest section under the CIC, Canadian online site.
In this program, who is a Federal Skilled Worker?
Okay, a Federal Skilled Worker is classified as somebody who is living overseas, who has a qualification like a degree, master's or PhD, who falls within the age bracket of eligibility, who has good English language skills, and a person who has skill level work experience.
Can you please explain us what are the selection criteria and eligibility criteria?
So there are many factors and selection criteria. The first among them is the age limit. Your minimum age is 18 and you have points up to the age of 46. Secondly, you should have experience in the last 10 years from 1 to 6 years of experience to get points. Also, thirdly, I will continue explaining the factors. You should have managerial level experience or a professional level experience, minimum supervisory level. It is categorized as skill type A, B under the Federal Skill Program. If you have a job offer, it will be an additional benefit. And you should have language proficiency, which is either IELTS English language or CELPIP, or you can have French TEF language skill. And there are various other criteria as well.
For this program, in language proficiency, what is the required band score?
Actually, the CA minimum is you require for CLB level 7 for O and A type, that is managerial and professional categories, and CLB level 5 for B type, that is technical skill categories.
How about the proof of funds, like whether applicant can take their dependents with them in this program?
Of course, you apply for a family unit. The family unit is your wife and your kids and yourself. So this is a family unit, and you should have enough funds once you go there until you get a job. So they have declared required fund category under the immigration program. The amount of money you should carry is for one person is $12,000 plus dollars, for two persons $16,000, for three persons $19,000, for four $24,000, for five $27,000, for six $30,000, and for seven $34,000, and for each additional person above this number you should have at least $3,400 plus dollars.
To become eligible in this program, what is the minimum required score?
The minimum required score is 67 marks out of 100. So you have to see that you are covering using all these factors to keep your eligibility for 12 months because under the express system is as it says, express system is the fastest system that gives decision within 1 year, provided that you have the preliminary eligibilities like credential, education, language, and all these proof of funds requirements. Therefore, if you have 67 points, you can enter the pool and you can remain in the pool until the mark level is maintained for 12 months.
Is there any particular shortage skill list or demand category for this particular program?
Yes, until 2015, they had a demand list for skilled worker system. Today, that is removed, and as long as you have a professional qualification under O and B category, you can. There is no cap. You are eligible to apply.
In eligible criteria, there's a particular criteria called adaptability. Can you please explain us how this works and how is the point system
Yes,
works?
Canada welcomes not only you, they welcome your family unit as well. So because of that, they are giving additional points for your spouse if she meets the language requirement, or they can meet qualification requirement and get their qualification approved and under the credential evaluation system. Also, if you have studied and worked in Canada, you have added points, and if you have relations in Canada, you have added points, and if you have arranged employment or a valid job offer, you have bonus marks.
For this program, whom we can say as relatives, consider as relatives?
A relative is parents. Immediately, it can be your grandparents, it can be your child or grandchild, aunt, uncles, and your siblings, sisters, brothers, and nephew, nieces who are 18 years old, who have a Canadian permanent residency or citizenship.
What are the benefits a person could enjoy by getting this permanent residency through express entry?
Of course, there are numerous benefits of becoming a permanent resident of Canada. That is why there is a high demand of applications and high demand to go into that country. The number one reason is you have right to live forever, indefinitely. So unlike other countries where you have limited visas and you have to return. Second thing is you have free basic health care, international standard universal health care. The third is you have access to educational programs. Your children get free education, and you can also, and your parents, all the members of your family unit get Medicare, even you get prescriptions, drugs free. Also, you have access to educational programs, free education for your children. That's the main reason many people migrate, and you will have discounted fees for your education in universities and further higher educational institutions. You can sponsor your families. I mentioned you the categories of family members, blood relatives. You can sponsor them. You can travel visa free for more than 150 countries. You can open a bank account, you can get a driving license, you can get a Canadian passport within 3 years, where you can even stand for elections and vote in Canada. You can start a business, buy your home, you can buy a property, you can get mortgage loans. You experience a high standard of living than in your home country. You mix with diverse people. There is freedom of expression, there is freedom to practice your religion. You can mix with all kind of people who are treated equally. There are spectacular sceneries. It's a beautiful country. There are natural sceneries you can enjoy, and Canada has been voted by UN for the last 10 years as the number one country to live. So what more you want?
Well, that sounds really great.
Yeah.
Are there any cost involved with this immigration to Canada?
Yes, of course, immigrating is not a very costly affair, but there are costs involved because you may be not competent to do your own file yourself, so you may have to seek a qualified migration agent. Therefore, they may charge you assessment fees and agency fees. Plus, you have to pass your English test, so you have to apply for English exam fee and you have to study the course. You have to qualify, credentially evaluate your qualifications to match with the Canadian qualification. So there are expenses on that. You have medical, police clearances, Canadian government fees, right of landing fees, visa fees. Also fees for various stages. You may have to do shopping, buy ticket before you go, and after landing you may have to arrange house, you may have transportation. So you have to keep money and you have to budget, and you can get a clear quotation from a qualified agent who will guide you the expenses you need until you complete your paperwork here and after you reach.
Thank you very much. I believe this session is really useful for people who look forward to migrate in future. Thank you very much, and once again, whoever wants to get contact with us and need the service from here, please do contact through below mentioned email and contact number. Services of Mr. Fazli Rumi and his team. You can see our contact details from the following slides, also our testimonials for your reference. Thank you very much.